morning to you. It is 4:09 and another round of snow, sleet, and mist has been moving into central Virginia after we've had a break overnight from the winter weather. It's 33 degrees. We've stayed just above the freezing mark here in Richmond, and in fact in much of central Virginia our temperatures have been a degree or two just above that freezing mark. Winds though continue to be from a northerly direction to the northwest, running about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Let me show you our updated winter weather advisory and winter storm warning maps, and most of these go until about 6 o'clock this evening, but some of you in, say, Louisa County, you will expire at 2 p.m. Charlotte, I believe that you also expire at 2 o'clock. Notice Richmond's metro area no longer included in the advisory. And look at our temperatures. When you head outside this morning, you will notice, hey, where did all the snow go? At least on the pavement and your sidewalks. In many cases, because temperatures have stayed just above freezing overnight, we've had quite a bit of snow melt. For example, out at the airport, we recorded a snow depth of 4 inches at our height of the storm during the overnight period, but some of our latest obs show that an inch or two has already melted. But we are going to get one more final round of snow, sleet, and mist this morning, but it will only lead to minimal additional accumulation. We're talking less than an inch, and remember, we've already lost about an inch or two in many cases, so this is really going to kind of even us out. And I want you to also beware, because we've had some of that snow melt during the overnight period and evaporation, that there may be some patchy fog forming for some of you this morning. Here comes our final rounds. You can see this is what's impacting us right now, so let's zoom on in here and check it out. The pink, of course, indicates where you're getting that sleet and snow and mist, and the green, that's primarily the mist. When I was coming into work a couple of hours ago, I could still drive in that mist, but this line has been advancing back again over the metro. So this is primarily a snow sleet mix that you see. Light snowfall occurring right now out at Shore Pump in Tuckahoe, all the way up 64 as you go out into Goochland County, heading out toward Oroville. As you head back southwest through Midlothian, Powhatan, Brandermill, Winterpock, primarily getting that light snow as well, back up into Louisa County, and we'll just keep tracking around the radar because I know a lot of you want to see this. Between Doswell and Fredericksburg, also snowing there, but remember, these temperatures are generally just above freezing. As we look in between Port Royal, Bowling Green, heading out toward Central Point, also still getting snow, and you're getting snow again in Tappahannock. That's new for you over the last hour, and this line will continue to advance eastward. So Petersburg, you're starting to transition back over too after some mist, back to that winter mix as well, and that does extend back out to Amelia. Now this is a little bit, I think, too excited about presenting what's going to happen for us this morning, but we will continue to see this wrap up for us through the early morning hours, through if you have to go to work, your early morning commute, and then in the afternoon hours we'll still get some wrap around bit of shower activity, basically hugging right along the I-64 corridor. And snow showers will continue up into far northern Virginia. There may this evening still be a few snowflakes mixed in, but temperatures will be way above freezing by then. Now this is our additional snowfall, and this is generally going to be maybe half of an inch at best that will fall for us, and some of this may be melting on contact too. So how will we have ended up? This is where during the height of the storm, before we've seen our snow melt, remember out at the airport I said 4-inch snow depth, but we've already lost an inch or two of that, so most of your reports have looked like that. So this morning is primarily when we'll see more of that snow and sleet mix. Some showers will continue into this afternoon, and then tomorrow we could see some wet snowflakes or rain showers, particularly Tuesday afternoon.